This video presents the work Learning Dynamic Swing Up of an Inverted Pendulum Using Remote Magnetic Actuation. Electromagnetic navigation systems offer superior field modulation speed compared to permanent magnet alternatives. Recent work has demonstrated dynamic capabilities of these systems through balancing of inverted pendulums, simultaneous control of multiple pendulums, and even levitation of macroscopic objects. In this work, we address trajectory tracking far from equilibrium by developing a control framework and demonstrating it on a magnetically actuated inverted pendulum consisting of a magnetically actuated lower arm with permanent magnets attached and a passive upper arm. The external magnetic field is created by Navion, a clinically ready electromagnetic navigation system. While balancing such a pendulum upright is already hard, like balancing a pole on your fingertip, we tackle an even harder challenge, the swing up, which requires precise trajectory tracking through highly unstable intermediate configurations. A purely model-based approach alone is insufficient due to magnetic field modeling uncertainties. We therefore employ iterative learning control, which uses data from previous trials and a dynamic model of the system to progressively refine the feed-forward command, successfully completing the swing up and transitioning to the balancing phase at the sixth iteration. Beyond magnetic field modeling uncertainties, iterative learning control is capable of compensating for any repetitive disturbance, including physiological motions such as heartbeat and respiration induced by the patient during clinical interventions. Moreover, because the framework operates on torques and forces exerted on the magnet, it is also transferable to other electromagnetic navigation systems, as well as applicable to other magnetically actuated devices, such as guide wires and catheters. Altogether, this work showcases previously unexplored dynamic capabilities of electromagnetic navigation systems, with ongoing work targeting application of the proposed methods to clinical interventions such as cardiac ablation.